There's a deer right here. It's a buck. It's a buck right there. He's in that bowl. He's in that thicket right there. There he goes. There he goes right there. I can't see him. I can't see him. I busted him, boy. Got one. South Dakota mule deer. That's what I wanted. Woo! We got out there, couldn't find him. And I said, man, no, knocked him down. And what he did, he had one last lunge in him. He got out here into this creek. He wasn't very far, but he don't have to be very far. He's soaking wet, and now I'm soaking wet. But we got it done. Pretty nice buck. Pretty nice buck. I'm very, very pleased. That's a Jiminy Christmas buck on this beautiful November day. I'm trying to hurry up and get back to Tulsa because I got a text yesterday morning from Little Raglin, and Little Raglin has a little Raglin. All right, we have a brand new grandbaby, Savannah. I told him, why didn't you just call her Atlanta or something like that? You know, you're gonna call her some city, but Savannah. I've seen pictures, but I need to get home to that new grandbaby.